Hey there, my name is Alex, and in this tablet tutorial, we'll be going over connecting the tablet to the ELD or connecting the tablet to the truck. Now, the first thing I'd like to go over is that these tablets are vehicle specific, or they're assigned to that specific truck. So if you ever find yourself taking the tablet out of your truck, make sure you put the tablet right back in because that tablet is assigned to that vehicle. This is how we're able to do the automatic reconnection most of the time really easily without beeping. I know that beeping is really loud and annoying, so I mean it's on purpose because if you're ever driving and that disconnection does occur, please first of all find a safe spot to pull over because technically when your tablet is not connected to the ELD and not getting that data while you're driving, that is technically in violation. So definitely find a safe spot to pull over and try to address this issue. So assuming that you have the correct tablet in your truck, you want to click on hours of service. You'll get this orange bar right across the top of the screen. Go ahead and click the blue connect button in that orange bar. And on the pop out, make sure you click the blue connect button again, and it should automatically reconnect. Now, if it doesn't, what you want to do is hit the blue connect button again in that orange bar, and then in the pop out, select manual connection. And then you select the device type. We are using PT40 devices, so you'd select PT40, and then it'll scan all Bluetooth enabled PT40 devices near you, and you can see there's mine, and I will select my PT40 device and connect to that, and that is the manual way to do it. Now, if either of those methods don't fix the connection issue, try restarting your tablet. On this tablet, you just hold the power down for a couple of seconds and the button pops up. You can hit restart and that'll turn it off and turn it back on. And then go open the TruckSpy app and go through the steps again, try to reconnect, right? If that still doesn't work, absolutely feel free to reach out to us. We have an excellent customer support team that will absolutely take care of you. And we can actually remote into the tablet and see what's going on. If there's something unique or very, very specific that's happening with your tablet, we can remote into it and see and take a look and fix any issues. Thank you.